Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to add pictures to your videos using Capcut on your PC. So let's get started. First off, we'll go to the left hand side and select import. Then we'll search for the video we want to edit. We'll add the video to our Capcut. Then we'll also search for the picture we want to be adding onto our video. When that's done, we can now start to edit. So let's increase the length of our picture to match the length of our video. So we'll come over here and we'll drag and drag and drag and drag until it matches the duration of our video. We could also adjust the position of our picture on our video. We could also adjust the size too. So let's see. Okay, that's good. And when that's done, on the right hand side of our CapCut, we select chroma key. We're going to select the background of the picture we want to remove. We'll select color picker on the right hand side and we'll adjust the intensity to our desired level. Okay, so when that's done, you can see our picture no longer has a background. I'll also show you another way we can also remove backgrounds from our picture. So let's undo all the effects we've added on this picture. So we'll undo all the effects, or you could also use Ctrl Z. Let's remove the background now using auto removal on the right hand side of the CapCut. We'll click on auto removal. So when we click on it, it just removes the background from our picture. If you found this video helpful, please like and also subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.